Hello, welcome to Thrive and Travel, where a group of us delve into life-changing hacks and incredible truths. In this episode, here's why nothing is really separate and how that changes everything. Okay, so separation is an illusion. Science discovered long ago that everything is connected. I'm connected to you. You're connected to me. We're connected to the stars, the table, you get it. And the wild part, you can use this powerful truth to completely transform your life. We live in a world that feels divided, people, nations, ideas. But behind the scenes, behind everything you see, is in a hidden web. It's an invisible field of energy connecting all things. This is not just spiritual talk. Ancient cultures knew this. Modern science proves it. And today, I'm going to show you how to tap into that connection to shape your reality, unlock your potential, and start living on a whole new frequency. Let's get nerdy, but keep it fun. Over 100 years ago, scientists discovered something wild. Take two tiny particles that once touched each other, separate them, put one in New York, the other in Tokyo. Now poke the one in New York and boom! The one in Tokyo reacts instantly. No delay, no signal, no problem. This is called quantum entanglement, and it proves everything is connected, even across time and space. Now get this, you're made of those same particles, which means you are entangled with the universe. If everything's connected, then wow, it means you're not just living in the universe, you're shaping it with your thoughts, emotions, and intentions. Your inner world, what you think, feel, and believe, sends out signals. And the universe? It mirrors those signals right back at you. Think fearful thoughts, you get more reasons to feel afraid, feel abundant and joyful. Life starts to look more abundant and joyful. You're not summoning magic, you're tuning your inner radio to the frequency of what you want. Here's where things get seriously cool. There's a universal law called the law of balance and harmony, and it says, your outer world must reflect your inner world. So if you start feeling peaceful, grateful, joyful, even if your life isn't perfect yet, your reality will shift to match that energy. There are only two outcomes. 1, your inner world drops to match your outer chaos. 2, your outer world rises up to match your new inner peace. Guess which one leads to transformation? Think about it. Now imagine your life is an art gallery, and the room you're in is full of paintings you hate. You can't smash the art, you can't scream at the curator, but you can walk into another room, one filled with art you love. How? By changing your focus, your thoughts, your emotions. The more you focus on what you want, the faster it becomes your reality. You might be wondering, how long does it take for all this invisible stuff to change the visible stuff? Great question. Science says 6 to 8 weeks of consistent mental focus, aka concentrated particle flow, and boom, your life starts changing in very real ways. That's not woo, that's physics. But we are going to change that. Start right now. Watch what you feed your mind. Ditch drama-filled social media. Stop doom scrolling. Fill your brain with thoughts, sounds, and images that uplift you. Because your brain isn't just a sponge, it's a projector. And what you input becomes your output. You don't have to change your whole life overnight. Just start choosing differently. Choose better thoughts. Choose better feelings. Choose better focus. And the universe will always meet you where you're at. Remember, everything is connected. And you're the one holding the remote. 2 years ago, I was living a completely different life. I looked successful on the outside. I had the degrees, the corporate title, the picture-perfect feed. But inside, I felt like I was missing something. Like I was stuck in a loop I didn't remember choosing. Then one night, I stumbled across a guided meditation by Brian Scott. I listened. I felt something shift. It was subtle at first, like waking up from a dream you didn't realize you were having. That one meditation became a practice. 5 months later, I was deep into the work. Mirror work, robotic affirmations, the whole frequency shift. Not wishful thinking, rewiring. You see, I stopped trying to manifest what I wanted, and I started becoming the kind of woman who already had it. That's the shift. Neville Goddard said it best. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest who you are. And who I am now. I'm no longer just reacting to life, I'm creating it. Wealth, joy, peace, love. It's not about luck, it's about alignment. It's about becoming the version of you who already lives that life. And once you do that, the universe has no choice but to say, yes, yes, yes. In the end, there are really only two types of people. first says, one day I'll try that meditation, maybe I'll look into this energy stuff, eventually. And the other, they hear this truth, and they dive in head first. Not because their life is already perfect, but because their desire to change it is louder than their excuses. The one who dives in and feels the fire in their soul is actually saying, I will not wait 1 second longer to become who I'm meant to be. The ones who change aren't the lucky ones, they're the ones who decide. Because the moment you choose to be, that very second, right now in fact, if you decide, then everything begins to shift. Here's the most exciting truth of all. I wonder why it's kept hidden. Well, actually no. Truth is, the moment you decide, truly decide, to change, it's already happened. In the quantum field, in that unseen world where all possibilities exist, your new reality is locked in. It's done. Complete. Yours. The 3D world, this physical world, it just takes a little time to catch up. It's slower, denser, but it's listening. It's adjusting. And your only job is to stay in alignment until it arrives. Keep meditating, keep affirming, keep speaking life over yourself. You already are. Now just give the world time to reflect it back to you. Until next time, bye for now.